Meaning of emetic.
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 Emetic. Emetic is an adjective that describes something that causes vomiting or nausea. When a substance is emetic, it can induce the body to expel its contents through vomit. This can happen due to a variety of reasons, such as ingesting spoiled food or reacting to certain medications. Common symptoms of emesis include retching, headaches, dizziness, and weakness. In severe cases, excessive vomiting can lead to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and other complications. Therefore, it's important to seek medical attention if emesis persists or worsens.